Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the location is not available error on Windows 11 or 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer has completely loaded up before proceeding. It's important to wait until everything is fully booted and ready to ensure the fix works smoothly. Once your PC is ready, we'll start by opening Windows File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar, or alternatively, you can open this PC from your desktop. This is where we'll access the settings needed to resolve the error. Now direct your attention to the top part of the File Explorer window. You'll see several tabs along the menu bar. Click on the View tab to reveal additional options. This tab contains various settings that control how your folders and files are displayed, and it's also where we'll find the tool to fix this error. Under the View tab, look for an option called Folder Options and click on it. This will open a new window with multiple tabs and settings related to how folders behave on your system. The Folder Options window is essentially the control center for customizing your file browsing experience. In the Folder Options window, you'll see several tabs at the top. Make sure you're on the General tab, which should be selected by default. This tab contains basic folder settings and navigation preferences. Now look for a button labeled Restore Defaults near the bottom of the General tab. Go ahead and click on it. What this button does is reset the actual folder composition back to its default state. This is crucial because when you're trying to open a file or folder and getting the location is not available error, it often means something in your folder settings has been misconfigured or corrupted. By restoring defaults, you're essentially clearing out any problematic configurations and returning everything to the way Windows originally set it up. After clicking Restore Defaults, the system will immediately apply these changes. Click Apply and then OK to close the Folder Options window and save your settings. Now try accessing the location or folder that was previously giving you the error. In most cases, this simple fix resolves the issue completely by resetting any corrupted folder settings back to their original working state. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the location is not available error on Windows 11 or 10. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.